In today's video, I'm going to teach you turn your method into an AI tool with this Lovable MCP guide. The first thing you want to do is clearly define the method you want to automate. Before you build anything, document the process from start to finish. Think about the problem it solves, what inputs are needed, what output it should create, and which steps happen repeatedly every single time. For example, if your method is used to generate proposals, you may need customer information, requested services, budget, and timeline. In that case, the final output would be a completed proposal or a pricing quote. Taking time here makes the rest of the build much easier. Next, go to Lovable, sign in, and create a new project. You can start with a blank project or use a template if one fits your workflow. Once the project is ready, begin building the user interface. This is where users will interact with your tool, so keep it simple and practical. Common elements include input forms, tables, buttons, dashboards, and results pages. The goal is to make it easy for users to provide exactly the information your method needs. After that, implement your business logic. This is where your method becomes functional inside the app. Your workflow might validate user input, perform calculations, query a database, generate recommendations, produce a report, or trigger another workflow. This logic is really the core of your AI tool, so make sure it reflects how the process actually works in real use. If your method depends on stored information, connect your data source next. That could be something like Supabase, PostgreSQL, REST APIs, or another supported service. Before moving on, test both reading and writing data so you know the connection is working properly. Now open your Lovable project settings and enable agent integrations. Lovable will generate an MCP server that exposes your app's capabilities as AI tools. From there, create your MCP tools. Each tool should represent a specific action, such as generating a proposal, scoring a sales lead, creating a pricing quote, reviewing a contract, scheduling a meeting, or generating a monthly report. For each one, provide a clear name, a useful description, the required input parameters, and the expected output. Well-defined tools help AI assistants choose the right action reliably. Next, secure your AI tool. Require authentication, enable OAuth if it's supported, apply role-based permissions, validate all user input, and enforce authorization